everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW 330i xDrive sedan in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior, and this is the M Sport Edition. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW 330i xDrive sedan M Sport Edition in Black Sapphire Metallic. I had another video of the same type of model in mineral white. So now we are back. We have a Black Sapphire Metallic one here. So let me do a lap all the way around the car. And once we've completed that lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. Black on black with red brakes. All right, so we got Black Sapphire Metallic. We've got these nice lines coming down the hood. You see the nice reflection on the ceiling from this beautiful black paint. And right up front and center, we've got the BMW Rondelle one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the vertical double slats. These are active grille shutters. They're shut right now. The ones at the bottom are also shut. And we got our front plate bracket on. We have some functional air ducts on either side. And of course, with the M Sport Edition, it's gonna have the M Sport design as well. Got the DRLs on, and let's go for the full low beam system on. Looks great. And ultimately, I also really like that 330 or 3 Series in general has the tow hook hidden behind that spot there, so that looks really nice. Now, if we come around to the side here and take a closer look at the headlights, these are the shadow line BMW LED headlights, looking great. And here we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake. This wheel's growing on me more and more. It's not my favorite design, but it does look pretty good. And we've got this cutting body line that goes up and swoops up into the rear door. And we've also got the rocker panel with the spot for the welcome light carpet. It looks really cool. And we got body colored side mirror, integrated turn signal, and side camera. Sunroof up top, side profile, looks really good. Car's also just tinted. And we also have up top, new style antenna, Hofmeister kink, and here's your rear 995M wheel with the red M Sport brake. We also have the black spoiler on the trunk lid, and if we come around to the back here, you'll see that we've got L-shaped taillights, vertical reflectors on each side, the split dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. So I've got the key with me. Let's give it a kick underneath. So this can open up hands-free, and once this opens, we also have the release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. You also got the grocery bag hanger, carpeted mats are down here, plastic storage area on this side, netted storage area with the plastic down here. Lift up that panel, you'll see that there's the wheel lock key and tow hook down there. And once we're done with this, there's a button here to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath to have this close the hands-free way. Now, if we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door. Press it open, it's connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and then you shut the door. We have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles, so if I go ahead and open up that rear door, you'll see that inside we have some ambient lighting here, galvanic controls, door pull, big deep door pockets, Harman Kardon sound system, and these are the black Sensatec interior seats. Center headrest can flip up or down, armrest in the center with some cup holders. We also have a pass-through to the center here as well. And up top, we have a handle, coat hanger, reading lights on the ceiling. There's also some vents on the back of the center console with some rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. Got the winter mats back here. There's more vents underneath here as well. And now that we've had a chance to look in here, let's shut this door. Welcome light carpet on the ground. We'll open up front passenger door next. So once this opens up, you have the unlock lock, galvanic window controls, ambient light, door pocket, Harman Kardon, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension is here. Headrest is also manually adjusted. And we have over here, new vent design, nice soft touch materials on the dash, carbon fiber interior trim with the curved display with iDrive 8.5, new cascading ambient light, and this one also has the glass push start button, gear selector, and iDrive controller. If I press this open, you'll see we've got wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, and if I open this, you'll see that we have USB Type-C charging port in here as well. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up that door. Memory seats, door pull, galvanic window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close while the key is inside. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar on this side. Flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. We have the head-up display here as well. And we've got all the automatic parking features in the car, so that is pretty sweet. So let me just get into the park assist view. So automatic back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. Backup assistant has the memory of 50 meters how you went forward and remembers how to go backwards. You also get the 3D view, so kind of the same 3D view you could see through the app. So that is pretty sweet. We also have the universal garage door opener underneath here. And if I pull down the visor, the lights turn on with the mirror. And way down here, you have your M Sport pedals. 2 pulls here, 1, 2 for your hood. When we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. We have 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We have your positive battery terminal, we have your negative battery terminal, and we have your washer fluid. So, nicely appointed. BMWs don't like washer fluid that has any additives like Teflon or silicone, so stay away from those. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood, so if you want to make this close properly, just want to make sure that they both close at the same time. Fingers on the rondelle, center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to get one more lap all the way around. And I mean, you really can't go wrong with the black on black with black wheels. And the 330i is an excellent all-around sedan. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. And you know what, might as well, since we're back here, let's start the car and hear remote engine start cold start. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. One, two, three again, so we can shut it off. And look at that. Active grille just opened up. That's pretty cool. And I guess it doesn't need any more air. And there it is, closing again. Beauty. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW 330i xDrive sedan M Sport Edition in Black Sapphire Metallic. What do you think? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.